Hello everybody, we're going to do an installation video today for the T-bone racing wing mounts for the Arrma Outcast. So let's see, a couple of notes. One, the wing mounts come in black for now. This may be updated in the future to come with a different color vinyl graphic. The next one is that I've done some of the disassembly already just to speed up the process of this video. Okay, so let's get started. First, remove the body and get that out of the way. So next, what you want to do is to remove the stock wing assembly. Now this is done with just the two screws back here going into the shock tower, one screw here going into the differential, and one going into the chassis brace. So I've already removed these two and the differential one, and then unscrewed this. And you just pop that out. Here goes your wing assembly. And you'll have these two spacers. You'll need to use these. You have a shorter one and a longer one. The shorter one goes on the left, facing the front. Longer one goes on the right. Okay, so next thing you'll want to do is to disassemble the wing assembly. Now I've already removed the stock wheels. And so it's just these 4 screws here to take off the wing from the wing mount. So I'll do that really quick. Okay, those 4 screws are off. You're left with the wing. Here's the stock wing mount with the stock wheelie bar mounts. So we'll just pop this off and we'll use this piece. You can use this with the T-bone racing wing mounts. You can use them with the wheels or without the wheels. It's up to you. Next thing you want to do is to remove the body mounts. I've already removed one and have this one loosened up, so it's just 2 screws. Pop those off really quick. Okay, so here are the wing mounts. Now these will go in with the slots facing inward. And so just take the 2 spacers from here, from before, and on the left one, place the shorter one and pop that in, just like that. On the right one, take the longer one and pop that in place. Okay? Next thing you want to do is to mount this to the car, so it just slides in there, and then we supply these M3 by 25 button heads. Those just go through the 2 body mount holes on the shock tower. So just like that. Then you grab the body mounts. There it is. And we'll just bolt this down really quick. Okay, and then we have an M3 by 20, which goes on the bottom mount. Okay, do the right one now. This way. Alright, next we'll mount the wing mounts to the differential and to the chassis brace, and with that we supply M4x40 button heads. They just go straight through, like this one goes straight through those two spacers, comes out on the other end, the other one goes in, and in between, see if you can see that, we're going to put these two white plastic spacers which we include in this kit. So this part is a little bit tricky, where you just have to slide this down, push it through without the spacer falling through the crack. Just like that one. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. Alright, so push both those through, and then you just secure them with these two M4 lock nuts, which are provided. Okay, last step is to assemble the wing. So you take your stock wheelie bar mount with or without the wheels, with the Arrma facing up, and just put it into the slots, press it together, take your wing, slip it over those, and you'll use your stock screws, which I believe are M3 by 3x16s look like, maybe a bit longer, with these little braces here, and we'll just mount the wing to the mounts, just like we did with the stock one. There's one. Got the other one. You know what? Let's see if you can see that. And there you have it. That's how you mount the T-Bone Racing wing mounts for the Arrma Outcast. Thanks for watching.